Have you ever downloaded a 100-page PDF only to close it because it was too long? Students, office workers, and professionals waste hours reading documents every week. Today, I'll show you a free AI tool that reads the PDF for you, explains it in simple language, and answers your questions in minutes. Welcome back to Pradeep AI Tools. Today's problem is simple. Long PDFs take too much time to read. Instead of reading every page, let AI do the hard work. Today we're using Notebook. Step 1. Open Notebook. Create a new notebook. Step 2. Upload your PDF. For this example, I'm using a 60-page report. The upload only takes a few seconds. Step 3. Now type this prompt. Summarize this PDF in simple English using 10 bullet points. Within seconds, Notebook gives you a clear summary. But that's only the beginning. Now ask, what are the 3 most important ideas? It instantly finds the key points. Need to prepare for a meeting. Ask, what questions might my manager ask about this document? Notebook creates possible questions and answers. Need to study? Ask, explain this document like I'm a beginner. Complex topics become much easier to understand. Need quick action items. Ask, list all deadlines, tasks, and important dates mentioned in this PDF. Instead of spending an hour reading, you can understand the document in just a few minutes. Remember, AI isn't replacing your knowledge. It's helping you understand information faster. If you enjoyed this workflow, subscribe to Pradeep AI Tools. Every week, I share practical AI solutions that save time at work.